Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. In today's lesson, we're talking about hobbies and interests.
This is such an important topic because hobbies help us connect with others and express ourselves.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your hobbies, ask others about theirs, and have conversations about interests in English.
So grab a notebook and let's get started.
Let's begin by understanding the basics. What are hobbies and interests?
A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. For example, reading, painting, or playing soccer.
An interest is something you find exciting or enjoyable. It might be a topic you like to learn about, like history or technology.
For example, my hobby is playing the guitar. I'm interested in space exploration.
Hobbies are activities, while interests can be broader topics. Now, let's learn some common hobbies and interests.
We'll divide them into categories to make it easier. Creative hobbies, drawing or painting, writing stories or poetry, playing a musical instrument, guitar, piano, photography, sports and physical activities, running, swimming, playing soccer or basketball, hiking, indoor hobbies, reading, cooking or baking, playing board games or video games, knitting or sewing, outdoor hobbies, gardening, camping, bird watching, fishing, learning and collecting, learning a new language, collecting stamps, coins, or cards, studying history or science.
What's your favorite hobby, Alex?
I love playing the guitar. What about you, Emma?
I enjoy reading novels.
Next, let's practice talking about hobbies. Start with simple sentences like, I like, I enjoy. My favorite hobby is.
Examples. I like swimming. I enjoy painting landscapes. My favorite hobby is reading mystery books.
You can also say, I spend my free time. I'm really into. I'm passionate about.
Example. I spend my free time cooking new recipes. I'm really into hiking in the mountains. To have a conversation, you need to ask questions about someone else's hobbies. Here are some examples. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? What are you interested in?
Let's try a dialogue.
What do you like to do in your free time, Alex?
I enjoy playing video games and practicing guitar. What about you?
I love reading novels and going for walks in the park.
Asking questions like this helps you connect with people.
When someone tells you about their hobby, how do you respond?
You can say, that sounds fun. Wow, that's interesting. I'd love to try that someday.
Examples. I enjoy gardening. Asterisk, wow, that's interesting. What do you grow? Asterisk.
Practice these phrases to keep the conversation going.
It's also important to explain why you enjoy a hobby. Use phrases like, I like it because it helps me. I find it.
Examples. I like photography because it lets me be creative. I enjoy hiking because it helps me relax. I find painting very peaceful.
Think about why you like your hobbies and practice explaining it.
Let's learn some phrases for expressing interests. I'm interested in. I'm a fan of. I'm curious about.
Examples. I'm interested in learning new languages. I'm a fan of science fiction movies. I'm curious about astronomy.
These phrases make you sound more fluent and confident.
You can also share experiences related to your hobbies. Use phrases like, I started this hobby when. I've been doing this for. One of my favorite experiences was.
Example. I started playing the guitar when I was 10 years old. I've been hiking for 3 years now. One of my favorite experiences was hiking in the mountains last summer.
Sharing experiences makes the conversation more interesting. Alex, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love playing the guitar. It's so relaxing. What about you?
I enjoy reading. It helps me learn and escape into different worlds.
That's great. What's your favorite book?
I really like mystery novels. How long have you been playing the guitar?
For about 5 years now. It's a great way to express myself. That's all for today. We hope you feel more confident talking about hobbies and interests in English.
Remember to practice these phrases with friends or family.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics. See you next time.